Hello friends, you all are amazing and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to watch 10 lines on myself. So let's get begin. My name is Sneha. I am a girl. I am 9 years old. I am in standard 4. My school name is Ambe Vidyalay. My class teacher name is Savita Ben. I go to school every day. English is my favorite subject. I like rhymes and action songs very much. I want to be a teacher. So friends, how was the video? Comment below. If you found it helpful, please press the like button. If you are new to the channel and yet not subscribed, please subscribe my channel and press the bell notification. We will meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you.